Hey guys, guess what we're doing today? I am so excited. I'm always excited about my faux food, aren't I? I have gotten so many wonderful, positive responses from my faux desserts. And it wouldn't be Valentine's without making faux desserts, right? I mean, wouldn't this be the perfect time to make faux goodies? That's what I thought anyway. So I'm going to want to make faux cupcakes, a cake. I'm not going to tell you everything. I'll come back with another video. But we will be doing some cute faux desserts and sweets for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. Let's get to the kitchen. Okay, everybody. I am back and we are going to decorate cakes for Valentine's. I have my spackle, the lightweight spackle that I showed you in our Cake 101. And I put the lightweight spackle and mixed some acrylic paint. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do, and I put it into my bag, my piping bag. But before I can pipe, we've got to frost the cake, right? So I'm going to make this all the same color. I'm not going to make it a different color. Let's get some frosting on. And I got to put my wax paper. I almost forgot to do that. It's important to put the wax paper down so you can just move the paper off and you don't need to touch the cake itself. Okay, there we go. Alright, so I'm just going to start frosting it. And this is on a tin. Okay, and this, like I say, these are usually less expensive than the paper mache. I've never done a plastic one, although I have that plastic heart over there. I may try it just to see how it adheres to plastic, the spackle. When you pipe it, that'll help show the definition. I don't need quite so much frosting on the top. And I'll come back and get the little pieces of the ridge of the tin that you can see when I'm done. Like I say, and I've said this before in the other videos I've done, doing these faux cakes, it doesn't take any time at all, and it's just like you're frosting a regular cake. So once you get going, I mean, it's not intimidating because you just pretend like you're frosting a cake. It's frosted, and then I'll come back when I start piping it, okay? Okay, so I'm frosting it, making sure to get the shape of the cake with the frosting. We're almost done with this part. See what I mean, how fast it goes? Okay, so here it is frosted. I was just going to show you before I even do any piping. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, since I still have this out, I'm going to frost a couple of these small paper mache, same way, same exact way. These are going to be cute on the hutch or on my bar cart. So easy to frost. Okay, I went ahead and stopped and taped this one on to a piece of cardboard that I wrapped with wax paper, and there's a piece of tape holding it. This is the way you want to do it, so you don't have to do what I did with this other one. It's just a lot easier to, you know, frost. So I'm going to do one more in the pink. Go ahead and finish this and then I'll be... Okay, so I have the 3 cakes done. Okay, I have the bigger one and then the 2 small ones. So let's move these guys over here. Move this one over here. I'm doing it a little different. I'm doing more of the star effect on this one, different than the ruffle that I usually do. Alright, so there that is. Thinking how I want to top this. You know what I'm going to do? Now let's do this cake, and I'm hoping this isn't too big. This one I think I'm just going to do like I normally do. You want that indentation. Okay. Okay. Okay, so there's that one. Okay, I have a little bit of the pink left, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just frost a couple of, or maybe it might just be one. Okay, I might have enough for 2. Yeah. Okay guys, I am done for the day, and when I come back you will see all of them off the wax paper. The chocolate ones that we did with the caulking, I think I'm going to frost them with white piping. Pretty sure, but you'll see that. I'll show you. And then this one up here, I will put some kind of a topper. This one will pretty much be left the way it is. I might put a couple of the cinnamon hearts on here, but this is the color. All that was a metal cookie tin from the Dollar Tree. And here are the paper mache hearts from Hobby Lobby. Another paper mache heart. Here's another one. And then over here I just frosted my chocolate cake and put a chocolate covered strawberry with some more cupcakes that I made. So that is my faux cakes and my little cakes and cupcakes. I hope you'll try it. Let me know if you do. Take a little bit of your spackle or your caulking and cover some strawberries. I hope that you enjoyed this DIY making our faux dessert. I hope that you'll come back when I'm making other desserts for other occasions, holidays, whatever it might be. Please leave me a message down below and tell me what you did, what you made, what you're going to make. I love hearing that people are going to make things after they've watched some of my videos. It so inspires me to keep going further with whatever it is at the time I'm doing, such as right now, faux desserts. So let me know in the comments below and share with anyone that you think might like this video as well. Okay guys, I'm so happy that you watched the video, and until next time, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon guys. Bye.